Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to claim the lifetime learning credit for education expenses on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's just go ahead and dive straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your education paperwork, including form 1098T and any related receipts. Now once you have all those, go ahead and log into your Turbotax account. You can do that on the Turbotax website and sign in with your email address and your password. Now once you're signed into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim the lifetime learning credits for. Once you've selected that, go ahead and choose credits and then select lifetime learning credits as your credit type. The next thing you got to do is to enter your total education expenses, including tuition, fees, and course materials. Now once you have those entered, you're going to claim the lifetime learning credits based on your qualified education expenses. And the final step is to review your lifetime learning credit claim just to make sure everything is accurate, and go ahead and submit that to the IRS, and they're going to take the rest from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the lifetime learning credits for education expenses on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.